let's talk about this method. This is what happens here when you don't spoon hard enough. So what we're simply going to do is outline this box or tape the inside of this box just like this. Just like this. Let's get a little bit right here. And we're going to be a little careful right there. And why are we going to be a little careful? Can you see there's just little divots of where the board ripped. And you'll see that, and we'll talk about that in a second. So we're just going to spoon really, really well this section here. Just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our paint and a little brush, and we're going to start painting it. Just like that. And while we have this brush covered with pink, I'm going to walk around the board and touch up some other pink spots. You'll notice when you dive into the class, what I like to do is just walk around the board and make sure everything's covered and just use a nice, slow, methodical pace to touch things up. So let's start up here. You can see here another common method is wood splintering. Incredibly common now with barn quilts or lawn that you buy at Lowe's. So I'm going to show you here. I turn that a little bit there. You see this piece here, this flappy piece? I'm just going to pull it and we'll just cover it up when we do the black. So let's touch up this pink. We're just going to take a nice small brush and touch up those spots. Just like this. If you're this far into the game and you're nervous about a small brush, just simply tape it off like I showed you. You know, I just made a mistake there, but we can touch it up. All right, let's work our way to other pink colors. Let's do right here. That one, I might tape off. You want to let Dad know? Go phone book first. I'll be back. Okay. Do this. I think I over-taped that one, so we'll just touch it up like this. Now watch when I pull it off. Perfect. All right, let's do this one. And work our way around. Sometimes I have a shakier hand than I usually do, and it appears that tonight might be one of them. Did I just hear you say you were a god at baking?
Yeah. I think these are actually the greatest rolls I've ever made. Hold on.
Cooper, enough with the drool. That's fucking gross. We're not gonna do anything if you eat that shit.
You want to visit with me in here, or?
I just sit down.
Oh, okay.